Okay, today we're here to talk about Bramble Lighting. Bramble Lighting is such an amazing program, and especially if you're looking, everybody needs lighting, but Bramble Lighting allows you to customize it, mix and match, make it what you want. You can see that we have different shapes, different sizes. So for example, if you like this light right here, we have this light that comes in a bigger size or a smaller size, right? Different materials that are used. You can see this one's a beaded one. You can see in this shade here, this is wicker. We also make it in a larger wicker. We make it in a rounded wicker. So tons of different styles, lots of different materials. If you like metal, we make them out of metal. Everything you can imagine is here. So if you're really looking for customizable, change the color lighting, different sizes, different shapes, lamps, chandeliers, all of it, Bramble is a great one-stop shop to really make your home look the way you want it to look.